Hey everyone, in this section we will go over three different scenarios of profit maximization, loss minimization, and a shutdown case. Profit is defined as total revenue minus total cost. Total revenue is price times quantity. Total cost is average total cost times quantity. Alright, from the last chapter, we can see the average total cost is equal to total cost over quantity. So if we cross multiply, we have total cost is equal to average total cost times quantity. That is how I wrote down total cost is equal to average total cost times quantity. I can take quantity out. In brackets, I have price minus average total cost. There is another way of defining a break-even point. Break-even is definitely profit is equal to 0. When the price is equal to average total cost, we say we have a break-even point. Now, this whole graph really looks complicated. Let me go ahead and try to replicate this graph so that it becomes easy for everyone to follow. I'm going to show you case 1, which is a profit maximization case. This is my demand curve, which is also the price line. I am looking at the marginal revenue and marginal cost approach. This is the marginal cost line. And always remember the demand curve is equal to the marginal revenue line. Now look at the point of intersection between the demand curve and the marginal cost curve. These two intersects here and the quantity is equal to 9. So we get our profit maximizing quantity at the point where marginal revenue is equal to the marginal cost of production. Now I need something else to complete the picture. I have the demand curve, I have the marginal cost curve, and of course the demand curve is equal to the marginal revenue line. I'm just gonna go ahead and bring in the average total cost curve, and be very careful here. You see the price is above the average total cost curve. Okay, so this is my average total cost. This whole part is the profit. So over here I'm gonna use the formula. Profit is equal to price minus average total cost times quantity, and the quantity over here is 9 units. Whenever you see the average total cost below the price line, that means we have a profit. Over here our profit is $299. Okay.